Hey guys, Andy here. So today we're unboxing the PlayStation 4 Pro in Glacier White. So I've had a PS4 since launch, and this generation the PlayStation has definitely proven to be my favourite console. I felt that the 360 was a triumph over the PlayStation 3 for reasons I won't get into, but the Xbox One didn't seem to pique my interest this time round, and I only purchased 3 games for it since 2014. The PS4, on the other hand, has definitely brought something fresh to gaming, and it was inevitable that I'd want to switch to a PS4 Pro, particularly with a 4K display. I was actually initially in the market for a jet black PS4 Pro, but stock for these seems to be quite restricted now. As a newly released Glacier White model was available immediately, the colour did start to grow on me, and actually looks a lot nicer in person. I actually fondly remember my original Xbox 360 from launch, which was also in white. So I placed an order for one of these from Amazon for £350. I also actually purchased a 2TB SSHD drive and a vertical stand, which I will come to shortly. So the PS4 Pro already does come equipped with a 1TB hard drive, but with games taking up a large amount of storage space, I wanted to future-proof my console and not have the botheration of having to delete and reinstall games due to hard drive limitations. This was something that was particularly bothersome on my launch PS4, which only had a 500GB hard drive. There is nothing more annoying than when you pop a game into your console and cannot install it due to hardware restrictions. Okay, so with the console now out of the box and set on the side, we can finally take a look at the included accessories. We have a power supply unit, a micro USB cable to charge your controllers, a HDMI cable, which was actually a nice touch as a lot of devices do not come with one, a wired headset with a mic, which probably won't get much use as I already have the PS4 Gold headset, and finally a DualShock 4 control pad in Glacier White, which perfectly complements the aesthetics of the PS4 Pro console. So as I mentioned previously, I was initially rather apprehensive about the Glacier White colour, but after seeing the console in person for the first time, immediately knew that this was something unique and special. So first impressions of the console are very positive. It definitely has a very weighty feel to it at just over 2 kilograms, despite being only slightly larger than my launch PS4. I do have a PS4 Slim in my bedroom, and it does actually feel a lot more heavier and slightly bigger than that too. I don't want to talk too much about the specifications of the console, but the system is powered by the same CPU as the previous PS4 with an AMD Jaguar running at 8 cores, but the GPU has received a significant upgrade, now running an AMD Radeon that has gone from 1.84 teraflops to 4.2. So here we have the 2TB SSHD from Seagate, which I purchased from Amazon for around £80, and I'll put a link for that in the description below. I also purchased a vertical stand as I think it adds some grace to the PlayStation 4 Pro, which I'll have on display next to my TV. There's nothing much in the box, a simple set of installation instructions which you may or may not need to consult, and the base itself with an attachment screw. So essentially this is just a piece of smoked plastic, but it is the official accessory and fits the PS4 console perfectly. Now the base can also be used for the PS4 Slim as well, and it's very quick and easy to install. And there are 2 different attachments included in the box, one for the PS4 Pro and one for the Slim. So you simply insert the required attachment into the stand and align it up at the base of the PS4 Pro console. Once correctly aligned, simply use the included screw to tighten it. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I haven't fully tightened it and just wanted to show you the process. But of course, it was mounted correctly afterwards. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll also be posting a unboxing and thoughts on the PSVR soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next video.